Hello everyone, today's I'm discuss most amazing topic. Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2, rumors and 7 features we want to see. Samsung's next wireless earbuds could come out in a few weeks. On August 10th, the Korean giant will hold its annual Galaxy Unpacked event, but rumors say the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2 will come out before then. The first Buds Pro were a risky attempt, but in a crowded market, they didn't make much of a splash. So, will the Buds Pro 2 make a bigger splash when it comes out? The Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event starts at 2 p.m. British Summer Time, 6 a.m. Pacific Time, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 11 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, on August 10th. We'll see at least one new foldable device, according to the official invite. We'll see at least one new foldable device, according to the official invite, but we think Samsung will show off two. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4. There is also talk of a new smartwatch. Guess the price of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2. Let's watch. The original Galaxy Buds Pro sells for £139, $169, or $319 Australian dollars right now. For a pair of wireless earbuds, that's a pretty good price. This puts them in the middle price range between the best cheap wireless earbuds and high-end models like the Sony WF-1000XM4 and AirPods Pro. We don't know how much the Galaxy Buds Pro 2 will cost yet, but we think Samsung will sell them for about the same price as the first pair. Then discuss the 7 features of Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2. 1. Better battery life. The original Buds Pro only had a battery life of 5 hours for the earbuds and 12 hours for the charging case. Now 24-hour battery life. It's good. 2. Better quality sound. Even though the Galaxy Buds Pro doesn't sound terrible, we've heard a lot better. On the plus side, the Buds Pro is well balanced and moves up and down the frequency range in a smooth way. But we also find them pretty boring to listen to. In our review, we said, they're so boring that it's quite offensive. We know that Samsung can make the Buds Pro 2 better, and they'll have to if they want us to recommend them. 3. More recent Bluetooth. There are newer versions of the Galaxy Buds Pro that don't support Bluetooth 5.0, but the old ones do. Bluetooth 5.1 lets Bluetooth devices figure out where you are, which is why there are so many Find My Earbuds features in apps. It also makes pairing a little faster, makes the Bluetooth signal stronger, and uses less power. Low-energy audio comes with Bluetooth 5.2. A new codec, LC3, makes it possible to get high-quality audio while using less power. On top of this, many earbuds support the high-quality LDAC, Sony, and aptX HD, Qualcomm, Bluetooth codecs. However, Samsung hasn't always supported aptX HD. Don't expect the Buds Pro 2 to support a Qualcomm codec higher than aptX, since Samsung's Galaxy S22 phones don't have it. Samsung's Bluetooth technology, called Samsung Scalable Codec, will almost certainly be supported by the Buds Pro 2. Its main goal is to provide a stable connection between Samsung devices and earbuds so that audio doesn't cut in and out. The codec does this by constantly analyzing the radio frequency environment around the earbuds and device and changing the bitrate on the fly. 4. Better ANC. The noise cancelling on the Buds Pro is about the same as the sound quality. It's okay, but not great. We found that it cut down on some background noise, but even when it was turned up, some still got through. Again, we hope things will get better. 5. Smaller size. Earbuds are getting smaller and smaller. The Sony Link Buds S is the world's smallest earbuds. Samsung's earbuds, like the kidney-shaped Galaxy Buds Live, aren't the only ones with unusual designs. We hope that Samsung can make the Galaxy Buds Pro better in terms of features and functionality while making them smaller. 6. Same Android-esque experience. The Samsung Wearables app lets you do some pretty cool things that people who don't have a Samsung Galaxy phone can't do, like customizing the touch controls on the buds. Please do that again. Then last. 7. Changing the sound. This might be wishful thinking, but we can still hope. The new Google Pixel Buds Pro will have Google's new audio switching feature. which automatically switches between devices based on what's going on. If you get a call, for example, it will switch the connection of the earbuds playing music from your laptop to your phone. For more details, click on the below link. Thank you for watching.